The stop button is used to stop the embroidery machine. It's also the button we press to back up stitches after a thread break or a bobbin run out. Depending on how you have it set, each time we press the stop button, it would back up one stitch. The stop button is also used in conjunction with the float button, and it allows us to float backward. There's one last function that the stop button is used for. Let's say we have finished sewing a design and we want to get into something like the float function. Well, in order to do that, we have to be in the process of sewing. So when the design is at the very beginning, if we press the stop button, it actually brings us to the very first stitch in the design, therefore allowing us to use the float function. The start button allows us to start sewing a design. It's also used in conjunction with the float button and allows us to float forward through a design. It has one other function. If you press and hold the start button without releasing it, the machine will continue to sew at its INC or inching speed as long as you continue to hold that button down. This is a very useful tool when you're sewing either close to a frame or if you're trying to match up where two pieces meet.